In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to secure 1password with Yubikey for enhanced password manager security. Setting up your 1password account with a Yubikey is a fantastic way to add an extra layer of security, ensuring that your sensitive information is well protected. So, let's get started by walking through the process together. First, you'll need to head over to the 1password website. This is the central hub for managing your passwords and secure data. You can find it at 1password.com. Once you're there, you'll want to locate the login option, typically found at the top right corner of the page. Click on Login to start the process. After clicking Login, you'll be directed to the sign-in page where you'll enter your account details. This usually involves inputting your email address and master password. Be sure to have this information at hand, as it's crucial for accessing your account. After signing in, you'll be welcomed to your 1password home interface. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to navigate to My Profile. To do this, you'll usually find an icon or a label for profile settings towards the top or sidebar of your home page. Click on My Profile to proceed to your account settings. Within My Profile, you will find the option to regenerate your secret key. This step is essential as it enhances your security by updating your key. Look for the option that says Regenerate Secret Key and click on it. It's important to remember that regenerating your secret key will require you to sign in again using this new key, so take note of it for future reference. Once you've regenerated your secret key, the next step is to link your Yubikey to your account. So, click on the Secret Key option available within your profile settings. This option will lead you to a section where you can manage additional login methods, including multi-factor authentication with Yubikey. At this point, you will need your Yubikey handy. Insert the Yubikey into your computer's USB port. Typically, there will be an option to add or pair your Yubikey. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. This generally involves pressing the gold disc on your Yubikey when prompted. And that's it. You've successfully secured your 1password account with a Yubikey. By following these steps, you are ensuring your data has an additional form of protection, making unauthorized access far more difficult. Remember to keep both your secret key and Yubikey secure. Thanks for watching. And if you have any questions or need additional guidance, feel free to reach out. Happy securing!